Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a thumbnail for a YouTube video. Before I show you how I create my YouTube video thumbnails, let's first take a look at my existing thumbnails. These are my old YouTube thumbnails, and the latest one are the ones where I started showing my face. As you can see, the thumbnails, most of my thumbnails have text in them because I create search-based YouTube videos. All my thumbnails are pretty much similar because I have a template that I keep reusing. This is a slightly different thumbnail. And let's check my thumbnails inside my Canva account. And these are my latest version of my thumbnails. This one is about for my videos about MailChimp. This is the one I use now for my YouTube playlist videos. This one is, let's zoom a little bit. This one is about for my YouTube online course. This thumbnail, this is a comparison thumbnail or a comparison thumbnail template that I use. I put my face in the center and the both tools on the sides. This is one of my old thumbnails. Now let's see how to create this YouTube thumbnail, for example, from scratch. Just go to canva.com, click on this open menu, click on create design button and look for YouTube and select YouTube thumbnail. A new window pops up. The first thing I need to create this thumbnail is to have this MailChimp logo or a logo photo. I will look it on the Google Photos. Go to the images tab on Google. Search tools that you can use are available here. You can select you can look for only large size photos. Sometimes you need to look for a specific color. You can use it from here. You can select only photos with transparent background. I think this is a cool or a good image. What I'm looking for is here. I'm looking for the big size. I think this photo is good, so I will open it in a new tab, just like that. Now copy the image. While looking for photos on Google Photo, make sure to not use copyrighted materials. So only use public domain photos or materials. Now let's open this image in a new tab. Copy the image, go back to the Canva photo editor, click on paste, allow MailChimp. First I will start with this yellow background. What I will do is I will click on edit image, then I will crop it. I will crop it like that. Click on enter. Now let's make or use, let's unzoom this window. Now we have our background. Now the second thing I will create is this how to little design. So I will add an element. Let's add this rounded element, give it a color from here. Now let's add this text on this element. Let's add a heading, how to place it here. Now let's add this big title. How to verify domain. Let's align this text element and to edit the spacing between lines. You can edit it like that, but I recommend you to first select the font before start. This is my preferred font. Same thing with this how to. Let's make this how to text a little bit bigger, just like that. You can zoom in using your computer trackpad. Now let's see how to add this MailChimp element in my page. So I will copy this image, click on paste. Now I will crop this image to this size, select crop. Or what I will do is I will crop this logo and have it on the side, duplicate it to have, and try to crop it to have only the logo text, just like that. And now to create this design, as you can see, this is I will add this element. Same thing with this how to background. I will add this rounded element. Now let's edit the color. As you can see, what I like about hosting, what I like about this Canva tool is that when you add an image, the the available colors are taken from this from colors available in this what is called in this photo, for example. As you can see, this is the exact color of the background. Now I will add a border to this element. Click on border style, select this line and make it a little bit, give it a little bit of weight, and just like that I've created this element. And now as you can see, this is a problem. The latest added elements is above the logo. So now what I will do is I select the logo, I go to position and select front or to front. I think with this MailChimp, this time I will go with to front. Let's make it a little bit, or just move the logo a little bit to the left, and just like that I've created this logo at the bottom element. Now how to create this photo, or how to create this photo. Just select one of your videos. Let's work on one of my old videos. Let's check this video. Basically you will take a screenshot of this video, and it is better to look for a nice screenshot. It's okay. This is not the good frame, but it's okay. I have my eyes open, but my mouth is a little bit closed. I will go with this frame, for example. Now, what you need to do, I recommend you to take a screenshot of the video from your computer, because when videos are uploaded to YouTube, the quality of the picture are a little bit lower. So let's say that this is a video on your computer. Pause it on the frame that you like and take a screenshot of your screen. Let's take this screenshot. I don't want to save it on my computer, or let's save it on my computer. Now go to this Photoshop alternative online. It's called photop.com. Create a new project, or directly drag and move your screenshot here. Now zoom in a little bit, and let's use, instead of selecting myself, I selected the background and remove the background. I've used this magic wand. Just select the background like that and remove it with delete on your keyboard. Now let's select. The problem with this photo is that the chair behind me has the same color with my shirt. So what I will do is I will select this ellipse, or this polygonal lasso select, and I will zoom a little bit like that. I will select my, or I will select the chair behind me, just like that, and hit delete. Same thing with this side of the chair. With this selection tool, it is better to go over, for example, in this case, it is better to go inside the shirt than having a little bit of the chair still showing. Select it like that and hit delete. Now I have this photo. Now to select this photo, click on Command A on your, if you are on your MacBook, or Control A on PCs. Copy this photo using Command C or Control C. Go back to the Canva and hit Command V or Control V. Now let's make this photo a little bit bigger, just like that. And as you can see, now the photo is above the MailChimp logo. So I will edit the position. I will make it a little bit backward another time, and I think this is good. Now, if you pay little details, as you can see, there is a little bit of a shadow over my photo or my screenshot photo. To add it in Canva, it's simple. Just select the layer, or and click on yes, edit photo. Select this shadow effect and select outline. Or it's not outline, I think it's glow. I think yes, it's glow, and edit the size of the glow. The glow shadow. As you can see, this is a little shadow point. This is due to a point that I think is hidden here. As you can see, this is it. Now just select it like that. I've tried to select over. Now delete this point, and same thing, select all, copy, delete this photo, add it here, edit the position of this layer backward, edit photo, add this shadows effect, select glow, and edit the size of the glow, just like that. Make the photo a little bit smaller. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Before publishing or downloading this thumbnail, I recommend you to make it a little bit smaller to see how the photo shows up on small thumbnails on YouTube. Now let's make this text a little bit bigger. Same thing. One thing I want to teach you is that instead of resizing each element separately, you can link the background with the photo or the background with the text, just like that. How to select both of them? Select the background or select the first layer with your mouse and hit, I think, shift, and select the second element. Now two elements are selected in one selection. Now click on the, with the right button of your mouse, click on the one of the elements and go to link. Yes, link, not link, I think group. Yes, group. And now if you select one of the elements, both of them are selected in a single selection. And now you can resize both of them in one take. Now let's download this YouTube thumbnail. Just go to share, click on this download button. Here you can go between JPG or PNG. For YouTube, I recommend you to go with PNG for better quality. You cannot make your thumbnail bigger because this is a premium or a paid feature, but this size of 720 is more than enough for a YouTube thumbnail. Click on this download button and your YouTube thumbnail will be downloaded to your computer in a second, just like that. Now let's see my thumbnail on my computer. And this is how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.